Alright guys, it's James here again. Hope everybody's having a wonderful weekend. Got all the mowing knocked out. We're home to relax. I wanted to show you guys what came in the mail last week. Sorry I've been slow at getting to it. I've been pretty busy at work and, you know, with all the rain and all that, playing catch up. So figured I'd give you guys an update and then I'm gonna do a final review on it too. So stay tuned for that. We have a Superclean hat in camouflage. Superclean t-shirt in gray. We have the Superclean, the aerosol can version. So we'll have to give that a good try, see what it's all about. All this is biodegradable. It's great for brakes, grills, engines, all that good stuff. We have the Superclean floor absorbent. Really good for these concrete floors, you know, when you're working on the mowers and stuff. Spill some oil. There we go. We're gonna put that to the test in the video. Spill a little oil, which that's not hard for me to do. Just give me oil and I'll spill it. It'll be everywhere. So next we have the original Superclean. We're gonna put that bad boy to the test either on a mower, or I may take it to work and use it on vehicles. See what kind of results we get with it. I mean, there's a lot of people out there who have done videos on this stuff, and I want to take it to a different level. I mean, a lot of people do their mowing equipment, and that's where I found out about it over at Jim's Landscape LLC #1. And I reached out, and Superclean sent me a box to test all this good stuff out with you guys. We have Superclean all-wheel cleaner. So I'll be sure to polish up some nice rims with this stuff, man. And last but not least, Superclean foaming. Pretty sure this will do good. Remember, it's all biodegradable, all great product. I've watched a lot of other people use it, and I'm gonna give it my 2 cents, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna be pretty positive from what I've seen in the community. And that's it in the box, guys. Then they send you the 2 nozzles for these, and they sent you a Superclean sticker. And that's about it. I hope everybody had a good weekend. I just wanted to give you guys a little update of what came in the mail. And that's about it. We'll try it over this next week. By next weekend, I'll have a video for you guys in depth using this stuff. Testing it out on dirty cars, floor mats, wheels, engine bays, door jams, anything I can think to try this on, carpet. I'm gonna try it on, and we'll see what it does and how it reacts. And I'll let all you guys be able to see that firsthand. Thanks for stopping over. Please like and subscribe. Share out my information so other people can learn. Have a good weekend, guys.